Welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers. I hope all of you are alive and well. I hope all of you are healthy. Kobe got his stuff on. Today's a crucial vlog. We're doing so much. We put the grill on. We put the lip on. I want to talk to you guys about the lip before we even start. I've tried for months to find a CTR lip. I've tried for months to find an EM1 99 to 2000 lip. The best that I found was used with broken tabs for $400. I was not buying a lip that was used and broken for $400. I'm sorry. So I went to Amazon. Yes, that's an Amazon polyurethane Type R style lip. Beautiful build. Why would you cheap out on the lip? I can't help you guys. I tried. If we're waiting for things for months, you think we'd get to this point, Trappy? Right. It's unbelievable how you can't make everyone happy, but I love it. If you have a problem with the lip, please comment it below, because you're just one less person I don't want involved in this giveaway. You'll do me and the real Gunners a huge favor. With that being said, it's time to get these doors on. So before we even start this vlog, before we even go any further, 1, I love you. 2, like the video. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Let's show my boys some love here. So, grill's on. Front lips on. We're gonna do some more modifications to the front lip. Trust me. We're gonna build like a 3M wall around there so it doesn't ride up. We're gonna build some holders on the bottom of that, and this lip is gonna come out great. Watch. It's on right now. We're gonna let it sit in the sun a little bit, mold a little bit better. We've got our door outside. We've got our rubbers cleaned. We've got all our brand new Honda stuff over here. We've got our thin moldings. We've got our brand new window stashes. We've got our brand new, I guess that's a window molding? Yeah, it's a window molding. Everything is brand new from Honda. Everything is brand new from Honda. So, we are, man. If I can purchase it, if I can just do it the OEM way, I am. You guys have seen it. But if it's something that's going to take months or it's impossible to find, I got lucky with these headlights, man. Big shout out to the gunner that helped me find these. I got really lucky with these CTRs. But our door's outside. Our plan is, Gunners, is to roll this car outside. We're going to start working right here. So what we did was we took our rubbers that run inside of the door and we cleaned them up all nice and minty. Now this is our door. Now if you're wondering, Aki, the doors were done. What happened? I didn't like the way the bodywork was. It had a few little dents in it. They didn't block the door, so it was an honest small mistake. I'm just being meticulous, so now the door is dead even. Now the door is dead even. This is literally hot. This got painted last night, and they just did a wonderful job, man. Samsung did an incredible job on this. So oh, I forgot to show them the wing. So there goes our spoiler. It's a CTR spoiler in carbon fiber. Basically aftermarket. I liked it because it was light. I have to help. We got to help this car, Trap, move because it's heavy. There's nothing cut on here. So wherever we can find, that's why we put so much titanium. We have to compensate. We have to compensate for not weight. Exactly. So carbon fiber CTR spoiler. Trappy, great suggestion on the base being black and this being yellow, because I was just going to go all yellow. But I love your suggestion. I appreciate you for that. Everything's functional. We'll put all these panels back in. I'm so happy, man. You guys know how we are when we don't have parts. That's why I'm kind of like mumbling and rambling right now. I'm just excited that we have parts. So yeah, roll it back out, Trap. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, I can't wait to see this wing in the sun. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Keep going. I'm gonna move the truck. Hold on. I'll move the truck. That would suck. Oh my God, Trap. I wish these people could see this car in person.
Yeah, it's too nice.
It's incredible in person. Oh, well, agua. It is incredible in person, guys. This camera's not doing it justice. So right now, most important thing is we are going to tape this entire body line here. We're going to do the fenders. We might as well do some of the side skirt, everything there. We'll do the quarter panel part here. We'll do the top.
Anything that can touch.
And then we'll also do the edges of the door. So another thing is, you notice we came up with a better idea. Let's not work in the sun. Let's just move the car to check this angle out. Look at that. Damn, this lighting sucks, yo. They have to see this rim. Oh, there it is. Whew. Come on. Can I get a thumbs up just for this? Can your boy get a like just for this right here? This view. Look at that. Look at all that detail, man. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. That's money. So, how about we move that door in here, Trap? Yeah. So we can actually just get all our bolts ready. We've got to get some Downstar hardware here. I've got that hardware in the box. I'm gonna get all our tooling. Jesus. Yeah. This thing looks incredible, bro. Oh my God. Yo, can you bring that gate down a little bit just so I can get the light out so they could see it? Oh my God. It's a little bit better, but they get it. Yeah, we'll mess around with the door a little bit more. As long as it's on, we can start building it, you know? Because I would say we should put the door together, because remember, it's going to get heavier, and then we adjust it when it's fully, you know, all weighted. But thank God, no scratches. Everything's good. We'll get that all situated. Got some fresh clips for the weather strip inside the door. So we're going to just end up putting all these brand new and then sealing up the door first. This will be the first rubber that we put on. Pause. And this is you using rubber, Strap.
So first.
Four kids later.
So first.
Using rubbers.
Learn my lesson.
Oh my God. Alright, let us get to work. We've got our weather strip all sorted out. So we put these clips in that go onto the side of the door. Honestly, guys, man, this took me a real long time to figure out. I noticed that you really can't save the original ones. But what you could save is the rubber. You see, none of it is ripped. So don't worry about trying to save these when you're removing them. And you're simply just going to push those on. I am no help to Trap today because I've been vlogging. That's it. Alright, let me do something on camera here. So it looks like I'm doing something.
You're like you're working.
I'm out here. You know what? I really am working. They probably think I don't. They probably think I just film you vlog you working. But we're on. That's it. Fix this weather strip, put it on nice. And this guy's done. Move on to the rest of the stuff.
Operation Protect Kobe.
Protect Kobe at all costs.
All costs.
All costs. On to the lock. This is a real tricky sucker, Trappy.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. You gotta like put that on and then slide that. What do you need? Real tricky sucker. Our door handle's on. Our lock is in. Guys, this is a real tricky guy. Make sure you push this guy all the way in to get that clip on the bottom. Remember, this a lot of people don't know how to take this off. You have to release the clip under here. It's like a, what is it called? C-clip?
Yeah, like a retaining clip.
Like a retaining clip. So it's right under here. You release that, then you can release this 10 mil, and then you can take off the handle. It is tricky. I've learned the hard way by breaking them. But we've got a brand new window regulator because when I purchased the car, that window was not functioning. So brand new window regulator. We'll install this guy in and move on to finishing up the door. We've been struggling with this door rubber for a good solid 20 minutes now. We've got everything figured out on how to put it back in. I bought some brand new door stashes too. Part number alert! Part number alert!
Part number alert!
Part number alert! Red tag alert! There goes your window stash molding for 96 to 2000 EK. Now this is left and right. Here we go, hold on. I don't know which one is left. I don't know which one. Oh, this one is left. This one is right. So left part number is, screenshot, left window stash 96 to 2000 EK. Right there. Right window stash. There it is. You're welcome. Now, moving on to the, oh man, that door's starting to look, ooh, baby. All right. Another red tag alert.
Fresh.
Another red tag alert. So this is your window molding that goes outside here. There goes the red tag alert. This is driver's side door, left side. Did you get all that? What? All right, they got it. Okay. That is this molding here. Nice and brand new. So
Yeah,
we're gonna install
that.
that.
Y'all be trying to rock chrome after it's sunburned.
Yeah,
that's that one.
Yeah, that's that one. Lefty have fresh moldings too.
Fresh.
Just saying.
Check me out. Check me out.
Just saying. Chacho, cabrón, no. No, suave.
Wrong.
Cógelo con take it easy, man. Chacho, bro.
Flip this one.
Dale. Window stash on. That guy to clip in. Retains down. Oh, it goes over it? I thought it went inside of it.
No, it'll sit right over it. Look. See it?
I think it goes,
like
yeah,
this.
I think it slides, yeah, Trap. I think it slides down into it, pause. Yeah. Yup. Almost. Yeah, it slides into the stash. That's how I did the EG one, so it's the same thing. Yup. I really need to help you. Just... Wally. Dang. 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 Gotcha, bro. Dang.
That's frustrating.
Oh, yeah. That's a good look. Dang.
Shit, Trappy, you working? You working? You working? You looked up like you've been working.
I looked up like you've been bothering me, right? Oh, that rubber seal, baby. Right there. CTR mirrors are on. We got our gasket behind it. We just tighten up this guy here so traffic can be relieved. But this door is coming together phenomenal, man. Thank God we saved everything, Trap.
Word.
Go let it go.
I might not know this, but he's a slight bit of a hoarder. That saves everything.
I saved the good stuff, though.
Yeah, you did. I can't wait to clip that molding in.
Which molding?
Look, the inside molding. You know which one I'm talking about. JDM one. JDM one from Japan. Took a couple months to find. What happened?
Amazon.
Yeah? Oh, Amazon. Oh, like the lip. Like the lip. Shut the operation down, the lip. The lip,
let's burn the car.
We ain't pay $4 million for the lip and get it from Asia, so that's
We ruined it.
Yeah, it's over.
Now that we have this door on, we're basically ready for the window, but we definitely have to clean it. See all this old dirt? I'll brush through that, put some Simple Green on that end. Clean this glass as much as we can. It ain't in too bad shape, this glass, right?
OEM Honda glass.
OEM Honda, cabrón. Windows in, boys. Take that for a ride, Trappy. Oh, yeah. Take that for a ride, baby. Oh, that looks great.
Smooth.
Smoothie. Hey, guys, I want to give you a tip, too. Anyone looking to, like, you know, get their windows to stop squeaking or roll up quicker and faster, just a smoother transition through the window going down and up with the rubber. This stuff is great. You just spray it at the top here, spray it at the top there, and you're good to go. Here goes your screenshot. Awesome stuff for windows. What you got?
Yeah, I just love how Honda's got like a whole like.
Yeah, everything just goes functions well. So our lock is good from inside. Good to go.
Nice.
Now we just wait for our panel. It's upstairs. I think I know what time it is, Trap. It's thin molding time. Hey guys, check out this door panel. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing went together so well. I gotta clean up this right here a little bit, but it is coming together. Me and Trappy were just staring at this car from like right here. It's been such an awesome battle, man.
Long
Such
trip.
an awesome battle, man. But that's all done. We're gonna line up this door a little bit better. You see that gap here, and we got another huge gap here. But that's fine. We're happy. The door opens. It functions. Opens from inside. The lock works. The window rolls up and down perfectly. All the moldings are new. So it's coming together, man. We're gonna put that molding on right now. We're just waiting for one of the clips to dry out with some epoxy that we put on. So that's what part we're on now. But we are closer and closer every day, Trappy Buckets.
Hey, Trappy. We're damn near the finish line.
Yeah, Trappy. Ooh. Dang.
Dang.
Man, I wish 40 was here to see this. Dang. Oh yeah. Got this last guy right here. Button it up at the. You gotta open the door. 10 mil. Oh yeah. Waiting all summer for this. Gunners, we are done for the day. We are going to finish this vlog and just gather up all our tools, clean up, and then get ready for another day tomorrow. It's been a long day, man. We're tired. Been gunning since 8 o'clock in the morning, so we're almost there, man. We're almost there. One more door, I'll pick it up tomorrow. I'll pick up the hood tomorrow. Trappy's got to have surgery on his finger, so I'll be here tomorrow alone. I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but if I don't, we'll catch you guys on Guncast. Make sure you share, like, comment, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate you. I hope you guys are enjoying how Kobe's coming out. I built this car